Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to quickly transfer money between your Netbank's account using the Money app. So let's get started. So make sure you have the Netbank Money app downloaded. You can find it on App Store, Google Play, or it's also available for App Gallery for Huawei users. Alright, so log in, make sure to register with your personal profile and more, and then I will show you the steps. So once you're logged in, tap on the transact. And here are the steps to follow, like tap the transact button and from the bottom of the screen and then select transfer. Alright. So next enter the amount you want to transfer, then choose the account you want to transfer from and select the account you want to transfer money to. Then select the date which you want to transfer to be made, and you can also choose today or a future date. Next, tap next. Now, tap next to review your transfer details. Check that everything looks good. Finally, tap on the transfer complete button and to finish your transfer. And that's it. That is how you transfer from money from your using your money app. And thanks for watching. It's really it. You can also do this the same from online banking or use your cell phone to do the same. Right? Make sure to follow the steps outlined in the screen and you'll be good to go. And that's it. I hope you can do it with ease.